Good morning, students. Today we are going to see that in class 7, term 2, chapter 2, measurements. In measurements, we are going to see the circumference of a circle. This is new concept of you. Already you know that circle. So circle, it have no sides, it has no sides, no corners. Okay. So now we are going to find the circumference of a circle. What is meaning of circumference? Yes, the circumference is the distance around a circle or any curved geometrical shape. So any curved geometrical, in rectangle and square, we find that around the length we are going to say the perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of a square. Like that, in circle we are going to find around length of around the circle, that we call, it's not the perimeter, we say that it is the circumference of the circle. It's same meaning. Perimeter, in rectangle we say the perimeter, but in circle we say the word circumference. Okay. That is circumference is the distance around a circle or any curved geometrical shape. Now we are going to see the circumference formula. So what is the circumference of circle? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so pi value is 22/7. It is a standard value. It has standard value, that is 22/7. R is radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Circumference, we have denote the letter C. So C is equal to 2 pi r. So if they given the radius, we use this formula. If they given the diameter, you know that diameter is equal to 2 radius. So if they given the diameter, our circumference formula is pi d. Okay, circumference formula is pi d. So because diameter is equal to 2r. Okay, now we are going to see the exercise. So in exercise 2.1, question number 2. Diameters of different circles are given below. Find the circumference. So diameter is given. D is equal to 70. What is the circumference of the circle? Yes, if the diameter given, what is the circumference of the circle formula? Pi d. So circumference equal to pi value is, yes, 22/7. Always here we use pi value is 22/7. If they have another one value, it is 3.14. 22/7 or 3.14. In your question itself, they will give. You have to use 22/7 or 3.14. Okay. Here they given 22/7. So 22/7 into our diameter is 70. So we know that 1 7 is 7. 10 7s are 70. By cancellation we cancel. So remaining 22 into 10, it is 220 centimeter. Next, second question. D is equal to 56 centimeter. So what is the circumference of the circle is pi d, because they given diameter. So C is equal to 22/7 into 56. So 1 7 is 7. 8 7s are 56. So 22 into 8. So 22 into 8 is 176 centimeter. Next, question number 3. Find the circumference of the circles whose radii are given below. So second question they given the diameter. This question they given the radius. So radius is what? 49 centimeter. If it is 49 centimeter, so what is the circumference formula is 2 pi r, because they given the radius. Okay. So 2 into 22/7 into 49. So we can cancel 7 into 49. Yes, 1 7 is 7. 7 7s are 49. Remaining we have 2, 22 and into 7. So we multiple, we get 308 centimeter. Next, 91 millimeter. 91 millimeter. So 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22/7 into 91. Radius is 91. 1 7 is 7. 13 7s are 91. So 2 into 32 into 13. Our answer is 572 millimeter. Next, fourth question. The diameter of a circular well is 4.2 meter. Do you know the well? What is well? Yes, Kinnari we say that, okay. Circumference, that is circular form. The diameter of a circular well is 4.2 meter. What is its circumference? So diameter is they given 4.2. So if diameter given, what is the formula? Pi d. So 22 by 7 into 1 7 is 7. 4 we can't divide. So we put 0 and we take as 42. 6 7s are 42. So 22 into 0.6. So our answer is 13.2 centimeter. Next question number 5. The diameter of the pulley cart wheel. Pulley cart wheel, you know that? Yes, it is a shape of circle. So the diameter of the pulley cart wheel is 1.4 meter. Find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. So you know that pulley cart wheel, it is running. When it is running, it is rotate. Okay. If we want to find 150 rotation, first we have to find the one rotation. First we find the circumference of the circle. One rotation we find means we want to know the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the wheel. That is circular form. So we say the circumference of the circle. Okay. Diameter is equal to 1.4 meter. So our circumference of the circle, that means circumference of the wheel is pi d. That is 22 by 7 into 1.4. 1 7 is 7. Already I told 1 we can't divide, so we put 0. Now we take as 14. So 0.27s are 14. So 22 into 0.2. That is 4.4 meter. So in one rotation it is covered 4.4 meter. Okay, 150, our circumference is one rotation. 150 rotation it is covered. So 4.4 into 150, that is 660 meter. 660 meter. Next, question number 7. A wire of length 1320 centimeter is made into circular frames of radius 7 centimeter each. So how many frames can be made? So they have wire length is 1320 centimeter. They want to make more circular frames. So that radius should be 7 centimeter. One circular frame radius should be 7 centimeter. That is they given. Circular frame radius 7 centimeter each. That means one circular frame's radius is 7 centimeter. So how many frames can be made? So we know that one circular frame radius. So first we find that one circular frame's circumference. Okay. If we find one circumference, one frame circumference we find, it means we can find how many frames. Okay. Listen. So radius is given 7 centimeter. So circumference of one frame is equal to 2 pi r into 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter. So next they given total length. Total wire length is they have 1320 centimeter. In this one circular frame we want to made means we need 44 centimeter. So in 1320 centimeter how many frames we can make? So what we have to do? The total length we have to divide by one frame length. We can find number of frames. The total length we divide the one frame circumference. We get number of frames. So 1320 we divide by one circumference. One frame circumference. We can get 30. So we can make how many frames we can make? 30 frames. So we can make 30 circular frames. Next question number 8. A rose garden is in the form of circle of radius 63 meter. The gardener wants to fence it at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. So your rose garden is in the form of circle. That radius is 63 meter. The gardener wants to fence. Fence means where they fence? Yes, they fence the circumference. If you want to fence means we have to find the circumference of the circle. They given it is radius is 63 centimeter. It is radius is 63 centimeter. We want to fence means we have to fence around the length. So we have to find the circumference. So circumference is 2 into 22 by 7 into 63. 1 7 is 7. 9 7s are 63. So 44 into 9, 396. So total length is 396 centimeter. Next, what they given? Fence it at rate of rupees 150 per meter. Total circumference is 396 centimeter. If you want 396 meter, if they want to fence 1 meter, they need cost rupees 150. So we want to fence how many meter? 396 meters. So we have to find the cost of 396 meter. 396 into 150, that is 59,400. So we need how much we need? 59,400 because 1 meter we need they take 150. So we want to fence 396 meter. So 396 means we have to multiply by 150. We get rupees 59,400. Next example. Why I teach this example? This is different. Okay. Example 2.3. If the circumference of the circle, they given the circumference of the circle 132 meter, then calculate the radius and diameter. So before all the sums they given radius or diameter, we find the circumference. But here they given the circumference, we have to find the radius and diameter. Okay. So they given the circumference. Circumference is how much? Yes, 132 meter. So what is our circumference formula? 2 pi r is equal to 132. In that we know the 2 pi value, we know that r we don't know. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132. Next, we want to find our radius. So what we have to do, what are the values we know, that we have to bring to the right side. Okay, 132 into the 2, it comes the right side, it becomes 1 by 2. 22 by 7 comes this side, it becomes 7 by, it comes reciprocal, 7 by 22. Now we cancel. 1 2 is 2. Here in 13, 6 2s are 12. Remainder 1, 6 2s are 12. So 1 2 is 2, 66 2s are 132. Next 22. 1 22 is 22. 3 22s are 66. 3 22s are 6. Always we have to cancel numerator and denominator. From the denominator we cancel the numerator. So we get 3. So remaining what is that? 3 into 7. So our radius is 3 into 7, 21 meter. So radius is 21 meter. What is our diameter? Yes, we know the diameter formula is 2r. 2r. So 2 into 21 is equal to 42 meter. So our radius is 21 meter. Our diameter is 42 meter. Students, this is the exercise. We learned circumference of the circle. I think you understand. So you have to remind it. What is the circumference of the circle? Formula is if 2 pi r. If the radius is given, 2 pi r. If diameter is given, pi d. So use the formula and watch the video. Do the homework. Write well. Thank you students. Have a nice day.